تفضل شيخ.
الحق الرابع لم نطول عليك ذيك الناس إذا عطس فحمد الله فشمته. يعني إذا عطس فقال أخوك المسلم الحمد لله فقل له يرحمك الله. يجب عليك أن تقول له يرحمك الله. فإذا قلت له يرحمك الله يجب عليه أن يقول لك يهديكم الله ويصلح بالكم. يقول أنس رضي الله عنه جلس عند النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم رجلان من الصحابة فعطس أحدهما فلم يحمد الله فلم يشمته النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم، وعطس الآخر فحمد الله يعني قال الحمد لله فشمته النبي يعني قال له يرحمك الله. فاحتج الأول على النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال له يا رسول الله عطست فلم تشمتني وعطس أخي فشمته بمعنى الحديث. فقال له النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم أنت لم تحمد الله وأخوك حمد الله فشمته. فإذا عطس الإنسان يا إخوة من السنة أن يقول الحمد لله، يرفع صوته. إذا عطس يقول الحمد لله، يرفع صوته حتى يسمعه الناس، حتى يسمعه إخوانه. فإذا سمعوه يجب عليهم أن يقولوا له يرحمك الله، يرحمك الله.
He said the fourth right for a Muslim is that if he hears his brother sneeze and then his brother says Alhamdulillah, you're obligated immediately. You are obligated, not one of you but all of you. And that's where there is a major misconception out there that people think it's only one person and it suffices the rest. No. If you hear your brother sneeze, hence he says Alhamdulillah, all of you must reply Yarhamakumullah or Yarhamakumullah. All of you. Not just one of you, all of you. And then the person that sneezes, after he is said to Yarhamakumullah, he says Yahdikumullah wa yuslah bahlakum. May Allah likewise, he said, guide you and benefit you in or better you in your ordeals. He said that is an obligation as well. And then he mentioned the narration of Anas ibn Malik where two men were sitting with the greatest individuals, which is Muhammad. One of them sneezed. He did not say Alhamdulillah. So the Prophet did not say anything to him. Then the other one sneezed. SubhanAllah, look at the incident, how it occurred. It's like it was meant to be. The other one sneezed. And he said Alhamdulillah. Whereupon Muhammad said, Yarhamakallah. Now the other man said, hold on, what did you say to me? The first one that sneezed, who did not say Alhamdulillah, he was a bit sort of dumbfounded as to why not. Why did he say it to him but not to me? So he asked, Ya Rasulullah, you said it to him when he sneezed but not to me. Why? He said, because he said Alhamdulillah. So this was information for all his ummah to likewise respond to when this happens. And he said, it is from the sunnah to say Alhamdulillah, and not only to say it to yourself. And this is another problem that we have. Like when you're at home and you have your family members amongst you, you know someone sneezed. Let's say, you don't hear that. You don't hear Alhamdulillah. Now if you don't hear them, don't say anything to them. You must hear Alhamdulillah. If you do not hear it, don't say anything, they don't deserve it. But your duty is, at the same time, when you know that this individual sneezed, your duty is to say to that individual, no matter who it may be, your father, your mother, anyone, why did you not say Alhamdulillah? If they say, I just did, say with all wisdom, don't go, I didn't hear you. No. Say, well, I didn't hear you. Can you please say it louder so I can respond to you? So you've got to have some manners in how you correct people's mistakes. So it is important that you raise your voice when you say Alhamdulillah after you sneeze. Otherwise, no one's going to say Yarhamakallah.